Hello, my name is Will Strauss. I'm a principal analytics consultant and Sigma expert at PH Data. In this installment of our Sigma Made Simple series, I want to talk about KPIs. Every great dashboard developer loves making KPIs, and really it consists of a couple parts, and we make these all separately, right? We make a big aggregated number and tile that right next to some kind of an indicator, arrow up or down, color, to show change over time. We want to make sure we put a good label that matches up with that change over time and a separate trending visualization. It's actually not that easy. It's a bunch of separate parts, and we end up having to squeeze them together, and the tiling never works out great. And that's why I'm so excited about Sigma's KPI data visualization elements. This is a single data visualization element that you can program all of that information in. All of the comparison time calculations are done in the back end, and it still offers enough flexibility. So let's walk through the configuration real quick. The value that I have in here is margin. I'm going to take it out, stick it back in just so you can see this update into the value. So this gives me the big number up top. I dragged in my date and just set the date part, the truncation, to week. I can compare it to the same period. So looking at the same data with the same date column, it will do the last, this week, last month, this week, last quarter, this week, last, it will do all those calculations for you. If you have something like a fiscal calendar or a specific relative date that you want to add in, that's more specific to your business, you can create that column and then select the column that you want to use. I'm going to go ahead and switch this back to this week last year. And then, of course, you can add in this trending visualization. You can have it as a line chart or area chart, and there's a few formatting differences in between. I love these KPI elements. And also, the great Katrina Meni just came out with this really detailed blog on KPIs. So please check this out. When you're done here, I'll include the link at the bottom, and this will give you everywhere that you need to jump in and click and experiment with to make the best KPIs for your dashboard. Thank you very much again from everybody here at PH Data. Please again follow hashtag Sigma Made Simple on LinkedIn to always be notified of our newest video. And thank you again from us here at PH Data, Sigma's premier service provider.